Hello, welcome to this video. I have been continuing what I started last time, which was creating the branding for a company called Outgroup. So this is actually a portfolio project, so it's not for a client, but I'm going to be showing in this video how I created the icon design. So I'm going to start with a time lapse, and then I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process of how I use the icon that I initially create and start developing it for the actual professional use. So yes, let's get on with the video. Okay, so I've got the icon here that I created, as you saw in the time lapse. I'm just going to copy this and bring it to my brand guide, and here I'm going to start developing it. So if I bring the background colour over and then just make sure it's all aligned and looking lovely. So then if I bring this to the side just to have a reference, but then duplicate it by pressing Alt and Shift. I then want the colour palette that I created from before. I'll use it from here. Brilliant. So if I do the same duplication, keys to bring that over, have that in the corner, and then I can start developing. I'll just bring the word mark over as well. So I'm just going to see what colours I can create this to make it work with what I want. So I'm going to experiment. So I'm just going to try using this green version, all one colour, and seeing where I can put it. So it's just seeing how it can be, because within a type logo, a word mark, it's nice to have this as an accent, and then you can use it on its own as well. So it's just, I might have it on the end here and have it behind, so that this yellow, I can't remember what it's called, like a swoosh, goes over the top, but that doesn't really work, so I'm going to have it on top, I think. So if I then bring that as one idea up the top, I'm then going to have another go and see what I can do. So I've got this mock-up, I'll show you now actually, of two different options. So on here I've just gone into the file, and I'm just going to go onto image size just to make sure that the file that I make is the same size and looks right. So it's 600 by 600. So if I go onto here, and I'll just change my document setup 2 pixels, and then if I create a new artboard and then go to 600 by 600, perfect. If I just move it, thank you so much for watching. I hope it was interesting and helpful, and yeah, I'll be sharing some more videos in the future.